Hello, my name is Luke from LSK121. Today's video is quite it's nice cases about the top and bottom full mouth cases though. We just segmented because sometimes we made the top first and the lower later. The patient want to see. So this video will guide you so many great things too. All right. Okay, great impression. We made the Monolithic LiSi. Nice job from here. Okay, we took the several impressions, so we choose it. I understood this one is the temporary, but temporary is really pain in the butt to make the other side and size and color everything. So I'm going to give him the big discount for this. So we're going to make LiSi. Same thing. When they finally place the implant, then we can change the other 3 units. It's perfect, temporary, nice. Very expensive temporary, but you got a really good deal from me. Nice job. And then previously we set up this. Okay. So now they will want you to lower at the same time after they deliver it from here. So we're mounting with just like that in both, and we set up here. Trying to close, but you will be slightly open here. And this, the monolith we made it. And we're going to finalize this lower after we finish. Alright, vocal corridor. So we're going to make great aesthetics. So we make the strength. Strength is the lingerable. DC. Alright. That one is the starting point because this is a wall, so we're not going to follow this. Okay, so this is a 101 full mouth we have to make the grate. Spending time with the hand, analog technique, like that. All right, thank you. Okay, so after divest it from the index, press it. Here is the finals before we cut it to fit to the model. Right. Regarding the wax and hand waxing, and we all handcrafted with investment and the processing and the pressing compared to scan and design, which is new technology, which is a new school compared to old school. So you can see the kind of view from the video, which is another benefit for you, which is I educated, and which one is better. But here is the answer. If you know really well about old school with handcrafting, actually that was the best compared to scan and design, and then someone could design it, someone made it. No. Why? I'm talking about the final contour. The final contour related is a detailed aesthetics, and that all components together make created just a real diamond. Okay, so finish this. So as I showed them earlier regarding the four contours, which is make the good monolithic, and also here, and we just finish it with a great duster technique. Okay, beautiful duster technique, and then we follow the wax up. We did it because we totally changing the upper and lower, make the height of contour, inside the length, customize it, make longer. So now we finish this upper, so after that you will want to cut the lower. So we are ready for this. Okay, so this is full design. That's why we fabricated 28 unit teeth design, so that we can predict his lower height of contour. So I'd like to show you guys about impression. Wax up, and then this is. So all videos we see it is upper, which is your doctor sent to us the final restoration, which is I can see kind of little bright, but you can see the difference color whenever I fabricate it. They're all different components down there, and they look more custom. And the lower, we already preserve it with the wax up, which is he created the trim and plan wax up, and then we finish the final work. I know it's kind of a little bit hurry and rush. This is very tough. This is not like easy, not like this is more master classes. So, but it's good news is whenever you're watching all the time, you will get what I'm trying to say there. I wish I could talk to you 24 hours just like this, but we will get really bored, right? I'm working with the passions. Our staff working with a really great challenge too. All right, this is kind of unique full mouse lower with my hand. Follow the wax up. This, change it, move it. Alright. Alright, I would like to talk to the great full mouse cases, which is a 3 months planning regarding about 28 teeth. And then one tooth we're going to do the one implant. So many dentists are asking regarding how can we take the impression and also bite record, which is very, very important. I would like to discuss over these cases. The first, doctors sent to us about the initial, this is study model, okay? So deep, shallow is a fake restoration, too low, place implants is fake restoration, and then here's lower teeth as an all grinded, right? See, it's really grinded the teeth. So this is the before starting cases. Sorry. Okay. Now this is before starts deep bite, right? So we can increase it definitely the vertical. So doctors and we discussed together regarding trim and plan wax. We're trying to fabricate it about the canine guidance and the occlusion speed, curve of Wilson, the height of a contour. So we set up the tooth and to make the 3-dimension about the natural posterior as much as possible. We design it with already, and at the same time, so we prep the upper, then we follow through the lower. So this is the guidance for the doctors, okay, to get the good vertical dimension, golden proportions, midline, trying to match the midline, and then all occlusion contact. So we fabricated upper, as you can see our fabrication. This next video, you can see our upper finish it before we finish it up the lower. Okay, that's the story. And then after that, after doctor placed the cases, so took the exactly what I fabricated. So this is our fabrications from here to this. Make sense? So we change the central here, side view, the golden proportions, and then we fabricate the here is lower. All right. So we fabricate the finalized done. Right? Size was a little bit too big, so trying to make the more embrasure open. You saw the old LiSi press. You can do either wax, or you can do LiSi milling directly. And then also top of that, I'm using the MIYO product. You saw my video too. So that one is the really helpful for the monolithic 720 Celsius around. So that's why I finish it. Now, regarding the bite, whenever they have the upper prep and lower prep, right? So all the time the patients or doctors lost this vertical dimension. So we don't know their bite. So I recommend it so they can set the temporary 6 unit first, and then open here, and then temporary put it back, and then bite it. Okay, one side. And also put it back to the 4 temporary. Here still temporary, so open it, take it out everything, and then bite it. So 2 bite I got. Put it in the temporary, put it in the temporary, take it out, temporary, so prep, and then biting. That's what we call cross mounting the bite. Anyway, the more information contact us, we can give you the more 2080 the design regarding the vertical dimensions, and then high-end aesthetic cases. Just finish them up, exactly duplicate it. It's very systematically finish it from the wax and then here to finally get there. Okay, so that one is the before and afters. Alright, this one is our special the full mouth cases ready for the dentist. So we just put it in there to make our jobs much easier. You see all these kind of things put together. Then, especially this one too, so we can put down the number. So we can put it into the number over there, individual. So after this, we can send to the doctor as well. All right, and then after that, so we can seal it. My signature cases. Welcome to 28 unit full mouth cases. So see you more great videos coming up, and then better. And then don't forget subscribe my Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. Thank you very much.